Yeah. You saw my shirt? Yeah. I used to be in a 1%er club. It wasn't for me, but I was in a 1%er club. I was a Hells Angels and a Mongol.
Oh, you got a 600 CBR? Man, I used to have a Hayabusa. It couldn't handle me. I was way too fast for it.
Are you sure about that?
Cruiser now, cause I'm just trying to take it chill, man. It couldn't keep up with me, man. That bike just wasn't enough for me. I needed more. So I got this Sportster right here.
You ride a Sportster, man? That's a chick's bike. Grow up and buy a real motorcycle, not no chick bike. That's not my bike. That's my girl's bike. My bike's in the shop getting a 407 stage 7 upgrade. I'm just using it for today. But Sportsters are a chick bike, man. You need to get a real bike.
Oh man, I didn't know we were filming. What's up guys? What's up all them BookTok girls that be up in my DMs? Once we reach 100,000 followers, I will do a face reveal for y'all. Because y'all have been begging for it and asking for it, and I think it's time. But I need to know that y'all want this as much as y'all make it seem y'all do. So let's get that subscriber count to 100,000, and I will do a face reveal. And hopefully y'all won't unsubscribe, cause I ain't no Calvin Klein model. I ain't what y'all, probably imagine me to be. So I'm pretty sure I'll lose those as soon as I'll show my face. But yeah. Subscribe, 100,000 followers, and we'll do a face reveal. Now I need to go back and go back to the gym for the 7th time today. Bike life and gym life, yeah, bro. And BookTok gals, I really appreciate y'all's DMs. I know most of y'all under 18, but
I'm a real biker, man. I ride in any weather. Hey, man. Yeah. Oh, it's about to rain? Oh, uh-huh. Yeah, you see, I had something come up real quick. I'm gonna hit y'all up next time. I gotta miss out on this one. I was just about to call you, man, and cancel. Yeah, I wasn't even about to, yeah, my bad. Shit's crazy right now. All right, bro, next time.
You're a man. You are a man. Stand up and be a man. Make the hard decisions, make the sacrifices, make the unpopular decisions, and become comfortable in your...
Be the guy who embraces the ugly, the miserable. Be the guy who embraces hard work, the grind. Don't be afraid of being hurt. Don't be afraid of sacrificing some blood.
this ain't no hobby. This a lifestyle, brother. Oh, hey man, yeah. I was just calling to schedule a 5,000 mile service on my 2004 motorcycle. Yeah. I bought it brand new, man. It's only been in my arms. We've been riding everywhere with it. Yep, since 2004, 5,000 miles. Can you believe it? Yeah, one thing though. Can you please make sure that no rain touches my bike? My bike has never touched rain. It is pristine, and I will know if it touched rain. Okay, yeah. And can you make sure that the technicians do not leave any fingerprints on the motorcycle? Yes. And make sure that they use the... I'm a biker chick. I just bought my motorcycle so I can make thirst traps for Instagram. I just figured I'd poke fun at the biker guys and the biker content that the guys make that I see. It's all fair game. I've seen guys make fun of biker chicks and figured why not, poke fun at the biker guys. Obviously these are cliches, but cliches do stem from somewhere. No, but it's all fun and games. Y'all subscribe for more content like this in the future. I had a fun time making it. I hope y'all enjoyed it. But I hope y'all stay safe on the road. Y'all have fun, and I really hope y'all have a great day. Hey, baby girl. Yeah, I'm about to go ride out in the rain. I'm a real biker, man. I'll ride in any weather. Yeah, about to go hang out with the bros. Yeah.